All right, kids. We're on our way up the big, huge mountain right here, as you can see. It's about a 45-foot incline. And we are going to walk up the big old mountain on the other side, and on the other side of the mountain is 30-foot waves. Okay, 30-foot waves. So come on, let's go see these massive waves. I feel like I'm sinking. Get that out of the way. Nobody steps on it, breaks their foot. All right, I can hear the waves, 30-foot waves. Here we come. All right. Well, there's a lot of people out here on the beach. But just a minute, we're going to get you right up to the 30-foot waves. All right, so we're going to pause one more time. And don't worry, we'll put all these videos together so you get the whole thing in one. But just pause right now. We're going to go to a commercial break.